I hope this gets inspired by TZ's vids. Hello. Now let's get roasting.
You're getting to be a big boy.
What is this show? Literally. What are those Yeezys? If you look at the bottom, what are those Yeezys? What are they wearing? What kind of shoes are those? Like, what are those? Get some Nikes or something.
I'm just a kid.
Bro! Why does she look like a fat, small marshmallow that is a redhead? Literally. She's driving this tricycle really small. It doesn't even look like she could fit on it.
For each day I grow some more. I like.
Who is that? Is that Little Bill's brother with the little virgin? Bro, Callou really trying to be Little Bill, but the white version.
Exploring, I'm high.
Whoa. This kid who can't even tie his shoe without help is flying a rocket ship. I bet he's gonna crash and then just die with Little Bill.
So many.
There's like there's like fire blasting out of there, and how are they even in space without a parent?
Things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm
Oh, so you really trying to be cool now. You ain't no gangsta, okay?
My world is turning.
What kind of cat is that? If you go back, right here. He has this spiky teeth, first of all. And then he has this like red nose, and he has like 4 whiskers that literally look like spider's legs, but only 4 of them. And then he has little black dots as eyes. And what is that blue thing on his face?
My world is turning, changing each day. With my
Look, bro, you can at least, you're too young to be having your shirt off, just like your dad. You can at least like put a shirt on or something, like probably a t-shirt or like an undershirt or something. But no, you're too young to be showing your non-existent abs.
me and Daddy, I'm finding my way.
You're gonna get sand in people's eyes. And how? How is he? He's not even a construction worker. How is he even driving that? This kid needs to get more responsible parents.
Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had.
Yeah, this probably is based off him being a spoiled brat and doing everything that he's not supposed to be doing.
I don't know, but there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Callou.
With your crusty old hands, I don't want a hug.
I'm Callou. That's me.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, so bye. And also, do not touch his crusty hands. But anyways, bye!